So today, for some reason, someone decided to break my rear light that's on the driver's side of my 2011 Nissan Altima. This got me really upset. But you know what? Instead of being angry, I decided, let's do this one by myself. This is my DIY. Okay, so I'm at the junkyard right now. As you can see, I've already pulled apart. I'm about to change it. But before we change it, there's one thing you have to know. To get to the light, you have to get behind this part, where you'll see the screw right here. You take it out, and another screw right here, you get that out. I've already done that, as you can see, to make this video move a little bit faster. So now, remove the light and replace it with that one that I just got from the junkyard. You're gonna need an 8mm socket to remove the screws. That's 2 screws, and then there's a clip on the other side of this that you have to pull out. So it's only 2 8mm screws. I've already done that, as I said before. So now it's time to take the light out. Okay, so I got it out, but as you can see, people, this got broken. For some reason, this was a little bit harder than usual to get out. But I got it open, so I have to remove this clip right here, this broken clip. And then it's time. Also, you have to disconnect these wires, this harness right here. And then pull this out right here. So let's do that and move very fast. I'm not sure if I'm even supposed to be doing this in the yard, so I'm gonna do it real fast. I'm using my hands because guess what? Someone forgot to bring their tools. But hey. Okay, so it's out. And there we have it. So now that we have the old one out, you have to put the harness back to where it was originally, so it can get into the car. Then I got some extra screws when I took it off, so I need to take them off. To get this back fitting. So let's do this. The light is back in place, as you can see. So now the next step is to reconnect this one back right here. Reconnect the harness. You know, I just leave it right here till I get the screws back in place. Or said so. I don't have all the wires blocking me when I'm ready to screw it back. So I put back this screw and then do the same right here. Then I use the 8mm that I told you about, the 8mm socket. Close it. Then, yeah. Okay guys, so now that the screws are back, we reconnect that and reconnect this one. Yeah, that's exactly how we saw it first. So we reconnect this part of the harness right here, and then this part after, back to the screw. Now it's time to pull this back properly. And there we have it. Remember to subscribe for more videos.